PC4 is the latest in the line of Kurzweil's performance controller keyboards. It's an 88-note weighted keyboard with aftertouch and is 16-part multi-timbre with a built-in sequencer. It has 2 gig of sample data, including the German 9-foot grand piano, amazing string sounds, KB3 organs, and FM and vast synthesis. And it also contains 2 gig of sample memory for loading in your own samples. All the functionality on the keyboard is easily viewed with a nice big colour screen. The PC4 has 4 modes. Program mode, which contains over 1,000 programs and actually has up to 4,096 locations for your own sounds. Multi-mode, and this is where you can combine up to 16 programs together into layers, splits, or when you are working with songs. Song mode, this is the sequencer where you would construct your songs. Global mode, as the name suggests, this is where you make global settings that will affect the whole keyboard. All programs, multis and songs can be accessed via the category number panel or the jog wheel and cursor buttons. And as this is a performance controller, it has loads of hands-on controls, ideal for live performances. And these are all located to the left-hand end of the keyboard. These controls include a pitch wheel, modulation wheel, and transpose buttons, main volume, a variation button, which is an unassuming button but will affect different programs in different ways, so it's always worth trying this out. Then you have 9 front panel sliders, knobs, and switches. And these will all have different functionality depending on which mode you're in. Or you can assign any of these controllers to your own specific functions. On the back of the keyboard you have sockets for headphones, 2 pairs of balanced audio outputs, 1 pair of audio inputs and a 3.5 mini jack audio input, connection for the optional ribbon controller, 2 continuous controller pedal sockets and 2 switchable pedal sockets, one being for the included sustain pedal. And at the other end of the keyboard we have the standard MIDI ports and the USB ports, and these handle MIDI, data transfer such as samples, backups and OS updates.